Welcome to Florida, the land of sunshine, beaches, and humidity so thick you can taste it. Here, the heat and humidity are a constant challenge. We love our sunshine, but man, it can be brutal. Especially in those scorching summer months when the air feels thicker than a bowl of grits. That's where our other best friend comes in, the almighty air conditioner. Forget Disney World. Your first stop should be a reliable HVAC technician. Trust me, their number will be more valuable than any theme park fast pass. In Florida, your AC unit isn't a luxury, it's a lifeline. Ignore it and you'll be singing a different tune, probably a very sweaty, uncomfortable one. Up north, they talk about sweater weather. In Florida, we have AC weather. It's a real thing, folks. From May to September, okay, let's be honest. Sometimes October too, the AC becomes your constant companion. It's the gentle hum in the background of your life. The cool breeze that keeps you from melting into a puddle on your living room floor. A good AC unit is the difference between enjoying a refreshing margarita on your porch and wishing you could just live in your refrigerator. We've all been there, putting off that annual AC checkup like it's a chore on par with cleaning out the gutters. But let me tell you, ignoring your AC is like ignoring a leaky faucet. It's only a matter of time before things go from bad to worse. Picture this, it's the middle of July, the temperature outside is hotter than a jalapeno eating contest, and your AC chooses this exact moment to stage a dramatic death scene. Suddenly, your once cool sanctuary transforms into a sauna. You can practically hear your dog panting from the next county. Not a pretty picture, right? Remember that leaky faucet we talked about? Ignore it long enough and you're not just dealing with a dripping sound, you've got a full-blown plumbing disaster on your hands. The same principle applies to your AC. Those small maintenance issues you've been brushing off, they can quickly snowball into major and, well, expensive repairs. Suddenly you're shelling out big bucks for a new compressor, all because you skipped a $100 tune-up. Ouch. Avoid the headache with Cejas Cooling. Their expert technicians ensure your AC stays in top shape, saving you from costly repairs. Here's the good news. Preventing AC disasters is easier than you think. Think of it like going to the dentist. A little bit of preventative care goes a long way. Scheduling regular checkups with a qualified technician, like those at Cejas Cooling, can save you from those sweaty, sleepless nights and hefty repair bills. They'll catch small issues before they become big problems, ensuring your AC stays in tip-top shape. Trust Cejas Cooling to keep your home comfortable year-round. There's nothing quite like the feeling of coming home to a cool, comfortable house after a long day of battling the Florida heat. It's a simple pleasure, but oh so sweet. And it all starts with a well-maintained AC unit. That's where Cejas Cooling comes in. They ensure your AC is always in top shape. So, do yourself and your wallet a favor, make AC maintenance a priority with Cejas Cooling. Your future, less sweaty self will thank you for it. Remember, in Florida, a functioning AC isn't just about comfort, it's about survival. Trust Cejas Cooling to keep you cool.